Okay, guys, so we're going to go over 0 exponents. All right, can't write that all out. We're going to go over 0 exponents, right? It's pretty simple. Basically, anything raised to the power of 0, whether it's a number, a variable, my name, your name, a crazy number, anything raised to the power of 0. These will all equal the number 1. No exceptions. Okay? Pretty straight to the point. It can look like 5 raised to the 0 power. It's still 1. 50 raised to the 0 power. Oh, it's still 1. Okay? There's no exceptions to this rule. Do not change your mind and never put 0. Anything raised to the 0 power will always be 1. Okay? The only time that it's potentially not 1 is if there's a negative sign and it looks like this. Let me show you the difference, okay? You kind of learned something like this before. If the negative is inside of parentheses like this, that means this entire number, okay, is raised to the 0 power. That means that is 1. But in this scenario where it's up here, where it's literally right next to the number, that means that this right here, that is equal to 1. And you have a negative sign being multiplied by that 1, which makes it a negative 1. Okay, it's the same thing for other numbers. If you have a negative 4 raised to the 0 power, or if you have a negative 4 raised to the 0 power in parentheses, this is still positive 1. But since this is not enclosed in parentheses, again, this means that this by itself is a 1, and there's a negative sign attached to it. So that would be a negative 1. Okay, same thing with variables. If it's an x raised to the 0 power, it's a 1. If it's a negative x in parentheses raised to the 0 power, it is 1. If it's negative x by itself raised to the 0 power, it means that this right here is a 1 with a negative sign attached to it. Okay? I'm going to stop recording and hope you guys understood what I just said.